Morning, and Brian's at it again with this plower. He's so obsessed with getting the deck cleared, which is good because you don't want it to thicken up and get crazy on your area. So yeah, he's on point. Another snow storm coming. Today's gonna be snowing all day, 90% snow, so oh yeah, look at that. Good thing we cleared deck, for sure, for sure. Breakfast for champions. Today we have these Costco wraps with mustard and some hot chili peppers on the side. Just cleared the deck and now it's snowing again. It's fresh snow, so it'll be easy to clean again. No access in. Look at the snow. Oh my gosh, it's going down hard. We only have 2 people today because I had said that it was going to be a snowstorm and it's going to be hard to get up, but no one listens to Minnie anymore. Or ever. So annoying. Look at that. Bam. What-ow. Yeesh. Snowed in. Actually, one of the guys are super brave enough to drive up, and now we have to tow him somehow. Brian's trying to clear out so that he could help the guy, one of the workers, get up. He's just right around the corner and stuck. Oh geez. The boys are still trying to clear the snow. You can see that it's a lot of pile up and you have to clear it out. And you have to put the chains on. This is all to go out there and help one of the guys that are coming to work come up here because they're kind of stuck down the hill really close. So you can see that the road is not plowed yet because it's snowing. Look at that. Continues to snow, so I think that maybe they want to do it one time after the snow hits. Look at that car over there, like frozen. Boom. Anyways, yeah, it's going hard. I told everyone yesterday, hey, you know, there's gonna be a snowstorm, so either plan on staying here or you guys you know, don't come to work because you're gonna get stuck. And I guess they didn't believe me. A set of workers came and then they went home because they got stuck. And then there's one guy, Panchito, who's really adamant, made it like down the hill over there. Anyways, Brian has to plow again because it's rising up again on the deck. So it's okay as long as it's slowly getting cleared, then it's good. We don't want it to be icy, and that'll be harder. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I just heard an offer up ding ding, so that means time to go shopping. I hear something. Oh, it looks like they plowed the roads. I hear this. So yeah, I just missed it, but I caught it once. Oh man, now they're clearing the driveway. Jeez. And I made them lunch already. So it's just sitting and hanging cold on the table. Look at that. Yeah. Goner. Well, it's still good if you like to eat it cold, but I like to eat it hot. So this room is getting prepped to paint. And this room is getting prepped to seal the dealio. But anyways, view. Bam. So currently it's our lunchtime and baby's sleeping. I don't want to go up there. I'm just kind of sitting here watching them go away at the snow. It's pretty crazy. I'm not going out there. Brian has been complaining about how his legs are cold and yada 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 because he's been out there plowing. And he was making a big stink about coming up here the other day before the snow came. And then afterwards he was like, oh yeah, it's actually better that we're here because we won't have to deal with a snowstorm. You know what I mean? Like how the other guy is dealing with now, and we're kind of dealing with the other guy's situation. Anyways, you know, he's been wearing his little Canada Goose jacket for like every single day, and now he's complaining he doesn't have anything to cover his legs. So this guy, I just don't get him. Anyways, I guess I'll order him another pair. The other pair was too big, that's why I returned it. But I'm gonna order the second pair to make sure it fits properly. He definitely needs it. He says he doesn't, but he does. He's been out there all day. Okay, so Brian's trying to back in. It's pretty crazy right now. This is an all four-wheel drive. We have chains on them, and it's still struggling in the snow. The other guy is there. He finally made it. It's just down the street. But if people just listen to me, we wouldn't have to waste time dealing with this situation. It's been going on for about an hour to two now. Just clearing snow. Just gonna leave this camera here so we can watch him kind of like try his best to get up. See, it's really difficult. I'm trying to zoom in. Like, you could fall and slip in, you know, if you're not careful. I think I hear baby. Oh, geez. It needs to be cleared some more. He's just compacting the snow, making it icy. One more again, one more again, one more again, one more again. Come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it. Very slippery, oh geez. He's pushing it. He's pushing it hard. He's trying to clear the road because you can't park in the street. It's a one-way road, the way they plowed it. So he's trying to get up the hill so the other guy can park on the driveway as well. Okay, so well, he's actually digging into the asphalt. That's not good. So I guess they're gonna clear a little bit more for him. In the meantime, I'm gonna go check on baby. Going up the stairs. Very, very messy, messy place. It was clean for a moment, and then it was messy. Here's the view. And then going up the stairs, the other view. This area. And then, let's go check on baby. Hey Google! Hey Google! Stop. I hear ya. I hear ya. How's my little big baby? I know. I know. Okay, okay. Okay, so I got baby and now he's just breastfeeding and Brian finally made it up. Yay. he's in. He's good. Now the other guy has to come up. Oh, jeez. Success. And then you. You need to grow up, honey. Grow up faster. We have installing the splash guard. Got the crew cooking.
Oh.
No longer working on the house. Chef now. And we just installed this backsplash. I don't know if I said that. I think I might have. I'm not sure. But I think we didn't get this. This just came in. Okay. And now we have Brian going at it again. every 2-3 hours. Making sure we don't get stuck. Look at this guy making a sign for the restroom. Let me see. Open, close. Okay, the locks for the doors are coming in next week, okay? Jeez. But thank you. We're still going at it at 10 p.m. Trying to figure out what we need to take home and keep here. 12 a.m. and he wants to finish this. It's a lot of work. I told him to finish tomorrow, but he refuses. I'm gonna call it a night. Still snowing.